10th sum sheet max exercise 3.14. Third sum. The roots of the equation x square plus 6x minus 4 is equal to 0 are alpha and beta. So the roots of this given equation is alpha and beta. So I first write the equation alpha square plus x square plus 6x minus 4 is equal to 0. In this you will be considering alpha and beta to be the roots. So alpha and beta will be the roots. Now you have to first find out sum of the roots. So you know alpha plus beta is equal to b by a. That is your general equation will be considered as ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So here your coefficient of x square is a, coefficient of x is b and constant is c. So accordingly you will be writing as sum of the roots is b by minus b by a. Product of the root will be c by a. So now we are going to write sum of the roots. So alpha plus beta is equal to b minus b by a means is equal to minus 6 by 1. Here your coefficient is 1. So minus 6 by 1 is equal to minus 6. Now product of the root is c by a. So you can write it as minus b by a. Here it is c by a. That is coefficient this is sum is coefficient minus of coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square, whereas product is constant divided by coefficient of x square. So it will be, this will be negative, this will be positive. So now here it is positive. So according to the formula it is minus b by a. So minus 6 by 1. Your product is c by a. C is positive. Here it is minus 4. So you will write minus 4 by 1. It is equal to minus 4. Can you follow? So now your sum is minus 6, your product is minus 4. This you are going to apply in all the sums. Alpha square plus beta square, then 2 by alpha plus 2 by beta, and for your third subdivision it is alpha square beta and beta square alpha. For everything you will be using alpha plus beta value and alpha beta to be the same value. Now with the given question, here your roots are given as alpha square and beta square. For this you have to find out sum of the roots and product of the roots and the required equation. So you know required equation already you have learned. Required equation is equal to x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product is equal to 0. This is your general equation. Okay, so x square minus sum of the roots plus product is equal to 0. So now you have to first find out sum of the roots with the given value alpha square and beta square. So you have to find sum means sum is equal to, you know, alpha square plus beta square. For this you know the formula alpha square plus beta square is equal to what? Alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta. That is, if you expand this you will get alpha square plus beta square. See, I will explain this. Alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. If you expand this you will get, then this minus 2 alpha beta. This and this gets cancelled, so you will get alpha square plus beta square. So if you want alpha square plus beta square separately means you use this formula. So I am using this formula here. So alpha plus beta value you have found it as minus 6. So minus 6 square minus 2 into alpha beta value is minus 4. So it is equal to 6 square is what? 36. Minus into minus will become plus. So you will get 36. Minus into minus is plus. 2 4s are 8. It is equal to 44. Next we come to product. Product is equal to alpha square into beta square. So it is equal to alpha beta the whole square. So alpha beta value you have found it as minus 4. So minus 4 the whole square, it is equal to 16. Now you can write in your required equation. Therefore required equation is equal to x square minus sum into x plus product is equal to 0. So it is equal to x square is what? X square minus sum you have found it as 44 into x plus product you have found it as 16 is equal to 0. Second subdivision, 2 by alpha comma 2 by beta. For this you have to find out sum. Sum is equal to 2 by alpha plus 2 by beta. It is equal to, you take LCM means you know your LCM will be alpha beta. Then you have to write third subdivision, alpha square and beta square. So alpha square and beta square means, how will you write this? First you have to find out sum, alpha square beta plus beta square alpha. So it is equal to, take common, what is common here? Alpha beta is common, so you will get alpha plus beta. So just multiply and see, alpha beta into alpha is alpha square beta, alpha beta into beta is alpha beta square. So it is equal to, your alpha beta value is minus 4, alpha plus beta value is 6, so it is equal to minus 24. Next you have to find out product, alpha square beta into beta square alpha. So it is equal to alpha cube beta cube. Alpha square into alpha will give you alpha cube, beta into beta square will give you beta cube. So it is equal to alpha beta the whole cube. So it is equal to minus 4 the whole cube. It is equal to 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. So minus 64 you will get. Now you write required equation is equal to x square minus sum into x plus product is equal to 0. So it is equal to x square minus sum is what? Minus 24. So minus 24 means it becomes plus 24x. Here you have minus 64 is equal to 0. So this is your required equation. Minus 24. So it is minus into minus plus plus 24. So here it is again minus 24. Minus 64 is equal to 0.